Hi, my name is Alya Batrisyia Binti Rusli with number ID 24006522, and today I would like to present about naughty method, 6 naughty method that we have learned at class. The first note is the reef note, also known as the square note. This note is used to join two ropes of the same thickness together. It is commonly used in first aid to tie bandage or in sailing. To tie it, hold one rope in each hand, cross the right rope over the left and pull it under, and then cross the left rope over the right and pull it under again. Pull both ends tightly to form a neat square shape. Then that's the reef or square note. The next one is the ship bend note, which is used to join two ropes of different thickness. We will start with the single ship bend. Make a loop in the thicker rope. This will act as the base. As you can see, it's a loop. And then, take the thinner rope, pass it up through the loop from behind, go around the back of the thicker rope, and tuck the working end under itself. Alright, next we move to double sheet bend note. In here, we can see that I'm making a loop with one rope, and then take the other one of the ropes, pass the other rope's ends through the loop, and then wrap it around the loop. From here, we can see it's a wrap around the loop, and make it twice instead of once. Wrap it again and tuck the end under itself, and then pull tighter. So we are making a double sheet bend note. Next, single bow line note. First step is make a small loop near the end of the rope, and then pass the rope's end up through the loop. Wrap the end around the standing rope, and then pass the end back down through the loop. Pull tight, and now you have a fixed loop that won't slip. It is perfect for securing objects. So, the single bow line note is done. Next, we are making double bow line note. From here, you take two fingers of your hand and then make two small loops near the end of the ropes using your two fingers. Make it like the rabbit hole, and then pass the rope end up through the loop. Wrap the end around the standing rope, which is, we call it a tree. Instead of finishing like a single bow line, pass the end back through the loop a second time. And then pull tight. That's the result. Next knotting is clove hitch knot. In here, wrap the rope around the pole once, find a pole and wrap it around, and then cross it over itself, and wrap around the post a second time, and then tuck the end under the last rope. Pull tight, and you can having a clove hitch knot. Next is figure of 8 knot. Make a loop in the rope, and then pass the end of the rope around the standing part. Thread the end back through the end loop and then pull tight. And now you have a figure of 8. Next is figure of 8 loop. Make a bite like a U shape in the rope instead of using the end like the figure of 8. Now you have a bite. Make a figure of 8 knot with the bite and pull the loop to tighten it up. Pull tight, and then now you have a figure of 8 loop. Next is from single figure of 8 to figure of 8 loop. This is the result that you will have. Next is the steps. First, make a loose figure 8 knot near the end of the rope. Take the free end and go around the fixed object or the standing part. Take it and now you have a shape. In this shape, trace back through the original figure of 8 and shape with the free end. The free end, pull it through the loop and then follow the path. From here you can see the path and the loop. Okay, and then take the end, put it below the standing part, and now you have the shape. Take the end again and pull through the loop behind the two sections of ropes. And then pull everything tight. Adjust both strands lie flat and parallel. So now adjusting the figure of 8, and now you have the shape of from single figure of 8 to figure of 8 loop. This is the result.